Welcome to Bitcoin Borks, your go-to source for all things cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll be discussing the latest news regarding Chinese bank support for Hong Kong's crypto firms, what this means for the crypto industry and its potential implications. The relationship between China and cryptocurrencies has been a complex one, with the Chinese government instituting several regulations and restrictions to reduce the risks associated with the industry. However, this attitude is shifting, and it appears that Chinese banks are starting to provide much-needed support to Hong Kong's crypto firms. Several major Chinese banks have reportedly provided funding and other forms of support to local crypto firms in Hong Kong, including financing for new products and services. This is a significant development for the industry in Hong Kong, which has been facing regulatory uncertainty and other challenges in recent years. The news that major Chinese banks are providing support to local firms is a sign that attitudes towards cryptocurrencies are changing and that there is growing recognition of the potential benefits of the technology. This also means that the crypto industry is starting to gain mainstream acceptance, with traditional financial institutions beginning to explore the potential of cryptocurrencies and develop their own products and services based on blockchain technology. The move by Chinese banks is a welcome development for Hong Kong's crypto firms, which can now receive the much-needed funding and resources they require to grow and innovate. The support also enhances their credibility and legitimacy, which can help them attract more investment and customers. However, it is important to note that the crypto industry still faces regulatory uncertainty and other challenges in Hong Kong, which need to be addressed for the industry to grow and thrive. Despite the challenges, the news of Chinese bank support for Hong Kong's crypto firms is an optimistic development that shows how attitudes towards cryptocurrencies are shifting. By providing financial support to local firms, Chinese banks are stimulating innovation and growth in the industry, positioning themselves as significant players in the global crypto ecosystem. Moreover, this move by Chinese banks is not an isolated incident. We have seen several collaborations and partnerships between Chinese banks and Hong Kong's crypto firms, with the two entities working together to develop new products and services that meet the needs of consumers and investors. With China's financial might, it is highly likely that these collaborations and partnerships will continue to flourish, further legitimizing the crypto industry and expanding its reach. We may also see more cooperation between the Chinese and Hong Kong governments on issues related to cryptocurrencies as they seek to establish a more coherent and effective regulatory framework for the industry. Such collaboration can only be good news for the industry, as regulatory clarity is essential for its long-term growth and stability. While China's regulatory stance on cryptocurrencies is still somewhat ambiguous, it is becoming clear that the country is not interested in stifling the industry's growth. In fact, we have seen several instances of China embracing blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. For instance, the country's central bank has been exploring the possibility of launching a digital version of the Chinese yuan, and the government has identified blockchain technology as a critical area of development for the country. Furthermore, China is home to some of the largest cryptocurrency mining operations in the world, with a significant number of Chinese investors active in the cryptocurrency market. This fact alone means that the country has a vested interest in the growth and stability of the industry. With Chinese banks starting to support Hong Kong's crypto firms, the industry in the region is set to flourish even more, with new innovative products and services set to emerge. In conclusion, the news that Chinese banks are providing support to Hong Kong's crypto firms is a positive development for the industry. It shows how attitudes towards cryptocurrencies are changing and how the industry is gaining mainstream acceptance. The move by Chinese banks is also a reflection of the wider trend towards mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies, which is helping to legitimize the industry and attract more investment and resources. While there are still regulatory challenges to be addressed, the fact that Chinese banks are providing support to local crypto firms is a sign that the industry is moving in the right direction. Moreover, the partnership between Chinese banks and Hong Kong's crypto firms highlights the potential for collaboration between traditional financial institutions and the crypto industry. As we have seen, several banks and financial institutions around the world have been exploring the possibility of developing their own blockchain-based products and services. By partnering with local crypto firms, these institutions can access the expertise and innovation that the industry offers, while also legitimizing and expanding their offerings. The news of Chinese bank support for Hong Kong's crypto firms also has broader implications for the global crypto ecosystem. As China is one of the world's largest economies and financial centers, its support for the industry can have a significant impact on how cryptocurrencies are perceived and regulated around the world. With Chinese banks providing support to local firms, we can expect to see more Chinese investors and businesses entering the global crypto market, further driving innovation and growth in the industry. Furthermore, the partnership between Chinese banks and Hong Kong's crypto firms can help to bridge the gap between the East and West in terms of crypto adoption and development. While the West has traditionally been at the forefront of crypto innovation, we are now seeing increasing interest and investment from Asian countries, particularly China. By working together, the two regions can drive innovation and growth in the industry, creating a more robust and sustainable global crypto ecosystem. Overall, the news that Chinese banks are supporting Hong Kong's crypto firms is a positive development for the industry and a sign that attitudes towards cryptocurrencies are changing. While there are still challenges and uncertainties to be addressed, the fact that traditional financial institutions are starting to support local crypto firms is a sign that the industry is moving in the right direction. As we continue to see partnerships and collaborations between banks, governments, and crypto firms, we can expect to see further growth and innovation in the industry with new products and services that meet the needs of consumers and investors. So, that's all for today's video. What do you think about the news of Chinese banks' support for Hong Kong's crypto firms? Do you think this is a sign of changing attitudes towards cryptocurrencies in China and around the world? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more